Have you ever seen a cosmetic product promise to brighten tired under eyes and thought, I need that? Under eye oils and serums are everywhere these days, often full of claims about dark circles and puffiness and glow. And let's be honest, they can cost a fortune. But here's the thing, you don't need to buy any because you can make an incredible brightening under eye oil at home. One that's packed with high performance botanical ingredients that actually deliver results. I'm Lorraine, I'm the CEO of Formula Botanica, we're the world's leading formulation school, and I'm going to show you exactly how. And today's recipe is a favourite of ours, a brightening under eye oil you can make in just a few steps and under 10 minutes. And this isn't just any eye oil, it's formulated with standout ingredients like Cacay oil and prickly pear seed oil and green coffee oil and Coenzyme Q10, which is a proven antioxidant that's loved by skincare pros for its brightening, protective and anti-aging benefits. But don't worry if you can't get all of these ingredients because they're very easy to replace with other oils. Think you can't make professional quality skincare at home? Stick around and I'll show you just how easy it is. Let's get started. Before we start, let's get our workspace ready. You don't need a lab full of expensive equipment, you just need a few basics to make this eye oil at home. You'll want a digital scale for precise measurements. These are super easy to find and cost about $10 on Amazon. You'll want a glass beaker or any mixing container for blending your oils. You'll need a mini whisk, spoon or glass rod for stirring your oils together. And you'll need pipettes to very precisely add your ingredients. But don't worry, you can also just be very careful in how you pour and weigh your ingredients if you don't have any pipettes. But the real star here is the rollerball bottle. And wait until you see just how beautiful it looks when we add the under eye oil to it. That's the one thing I really recommend you get. It's what gives this eye oil that luxurious, cooling, spa-like application. You can easily get these bottles on Amazon or other online marketplaces. If you don't have everything else, don't worry. You can improvise with what you've got in your kitchen, as long as it's clean. Just remember, gloves on, apron on, and surfaces wiped down. With these simple preparations, you're already set up like a pro formulator. And now for the best bit. Let's make our brightening under eye oil step by step. You'll see just how simple it is, but also why it feels so special to make it yourself. First up, let's weigh out 18 grams of oat oil into your beaker. Oat oil is beautifully golden, almost orange, and has a silky, lightweight texture. It's excellent for the delicate under eye area because it's soothing and conditioning without feeling greasy. Next, we're going to add 7.5 grams of Cacay oil. This one is a bit golden in colour. It can be a premium buy, so if you're sourcing it online, you might find it sold as a luxury oil. It is worth it though. It's packed with natural retinoids and omegas that nourish and support your skin barrier without feeling greasy. Now measure 17.5 grams of tomato seed oil. This one often surprises people. It's a deep yellow or even slightly orange hue, and it's rich in antioxidants like lycopene. When you add it to your blend, you'll see the colour deepen slightly, giving your oil that beautiful warm glow. Next is 5 grams of green coffee oil, which we have here in this tiny beaker. This is the ingredient that gives the oil a distinct natural aroma, like roasted coffee but fresher. It's oh so worth it in your under eye oil. Now add 1.5 grams of prickly pear seed oil. This one is lightweight and pale, almost transparent with a hint of green. It's expensive in small quantities because it's cold pressed from tiny seeds, but you only need a little. It's great for softening the skin. Once all your carrier oils are in the beaker, give the blend a gentle stir and watch how the colours combine into a rich golden hue. This is one of my favourite parts. The texture will already look beautifully glossy. And now finally, let's add our actives. First, we'll add 0.4 grams of vitamin E. It's thicker, almost syrupy with a clear amber colour. This not only acts as an antioxidant to keep your oils fresh longer, but also helps support the delicate skin around your eyes. And then finally, we'll add 0.1 grams of Coenzyme Q10, which has a light yellow colour. You can also buy CoQ10 as a bright orange powder, which you then dissolve into the blend. Both are fine to use. Add it slowly and stir well. And there you have it, a beautiful, naturally tinted under eye oil that smells subtly of green coffee with a silky, nourishing texture. It's ready to decant into this rollerball bottle, which not only looks professional, but makes application a real treat. cooling, mess-free, and soothing for tired eyes. So isn't that amazing? It really is that simple. And the best part is you know exactly what's in it, and you now know how you can make one too. And to use it, simply glide the rollerball gently under your eyes, morning or night, or both. Let the cool metal tip help depuff your skin while you lightly massage with your fingertips. It's beautifully nourishing and suitable for all skin types, especially if your eyes are feeling tired or just need a little extra care. And remember, this is just the beginning. As you get more confident, you can customize your formula by swapping out oils or adjusting the ratios to suit your skin perfectly. So label your blend clearly, store it in a cool spot away from direct sunlight, and enjoy reaching for your own handmade luxurious skincare. And if you're wondering where this skill can take you, well, many of our graduates go on to create their own best-selling products. In fact, Formula Botanica graduate Naz from Solo Skin London has sold tens of thousands of under-eye oils on TikTok alone. So whether you're making this for yourself or dreaming bigger, the possibilities are endless. And if you'd like to know more, you can find the full blog post and our free PDF recipe linked below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments how your formulation turns out. I truly love to hear about your experience and your results. And if you're ready to take things further, why not join our free short formulation course? It's the perfect way to start creating a skincare brand that you love right from home. Remember, everyone can formulate. We all begin with just one formulation. And once you see how easy it is, you'll realize how simple it can be to make more, or even share or sell them. Today, you've seen how easy it is to take that first step. So until next time, happy formulating.